Aray ko!
Hello mga katuts! This is B! Happy birthday, Doc! Alam mo na, oras na para tapikin yung billions! Happy birthday, Doc! More blessings to come. Enjoy your day. Keep safe!
Hi, Tukoy. Happy birthday po. Bless.
Happy birthday, Doc. More birthday to come. Salamat pa rin sa marasang pagkaon. Enjoy niyan. Pero anak ko, wala pa. Kasi wala pa ako mag-inatag yan.
Happy birthday, Doc Noy. Ang wish ko lang is more blessings and more patience to come. Thank you so much, Doc, for all your guidance and for inspiring me. Nandito lang ako, Doc, to support you in your fitness journey. Sabay-sabay tayong papayat. Okay? Pero wala mo ng diet today kasi birthday mo. Love you, Doc.
Happy birthday, Doc Noy. Wish you all the best. Many more years to come. Kumain ka na ng on time, Doc. Yun lang. Thank you sa pakain mamaya.
Hello, Doc Noy. Happiest birthday sa aking apakabait and super understanding na partner. And napakagaling na dentist. Napakagaling magluluto na dentist. Stay healthy always. And sana matupad lahat ng iyong pangarap sa buhay, ang mga goals. At dahil lagi kang OT, huwag mo kakalimutan magpahinga rin time to time para hindi ka naman burn out or kailangan natin yan. So, ayun lang. Enjoy your day and I wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Doc. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, plus 500 years. Happy birthday.
Doc, happy birthday! Hindi ko napapabahin to, basta mahal kita. Mabuhay ka pa hanggang 650 years.
Happy birthday, Doc Noy. Wishing you another year of blessing, growth, and happiness. More birthdays to come. See you. Miss you.
Buenas noches, Doc Noy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Doc Noy. Love you.
Hi, mga katuts! Charot! Hi, Doc Noy. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana, yun, mag-grow pa yung business sa yung channel mo. Yun lang, wish you a better year and more years to come and more birthdays to come. Good health and yun lang, supportan niyo ang kanyang page, mga katuts. Bye!
Hi, Doc Noy. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana next na adjust ko libre na, okay? Tapos no more.
Hi, Doc. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And God bless you always. Bye!
Happy birthday, Doc Noy. Wishing you all the happiness in life. I know it has been a long journey for you. And I truly believe that all your dreams will come true. Please know that I'll always be here for you and wishing you success, more success actually, and an amazing, wonderful year ahead. Love ya. Mwah.
Hello mga katuts! Boss D, happy birthday sa iyo. Wishing you all the best, more success to come, and syempre, good health. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating. At mabuhay ka, plus 1,000 years. Thank you sa lahat, Doki, and pasensya na rin kung minsan pasaway. So, ayun, enjoy your day. Have a blast. God bless.
Hi, Kuya Noy. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More blessings to come, mga katuts.
Hi, Doc Noy. Happy birthday. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and more blessings to come. Enjoy your special day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ninong!